Hawaiian.
Nilalabanan ako ni baby. Where? Where are you? Oh, diba acting? Papa, ahas ka. Mga beshi kong nangaagaw ha. Mga ahas kayo. Ito. Hello guys, it's me again, Mark Paragas. Ang dami nagsasalita, ang ingay. Aga-aga, no? So by the way guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Harbor Front Center for the first time. Kasi from here, dito tayo sasakay ng bus going to Malaysia via Aeroline. And ang biyahe natin guys is 6:45 PM. So that will be 6 hours travel. So darating tayo siguro doon, sabihin natin 7 tayo mag-start, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1. Actually, maraming bus services na nag-o-offer from here going to Malaysia. Nagbasa-basa ako and one of the top bus line company, itong Aeroline. So ang ginawa natin guys, nag-check out na tayo sa ating accommodation and then ang ginawa natin, ano na lang tayo, Grab. Ang biyahe lang naman is 24 minutes from hotel going here. Mag-check-in kayo, pwede nyo iwan yung mga luggage nyo guys so you can roam around and then balik na lang kayo at least 15 minutes o sabihin natin mga 30 minutes to get your luggage, tapos pila na kayo doon sa bus stop kasi on time daw talaga sila nagsusundo. Uy, ang bilis! Ay, alam nyo ba, yung Harbor Front Center na to, connecting lang sa sa Vivo City. Ito na agad pero mainit sa labas. Pwede sa labas, pwede dito. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta dito guys, nakakatawa. More on siya, parang yung style niya, may pagka Trinoma, ganon. Mga Ayala Malls, na ang daming pasikot-sikot, ganon. And then, ano pa pwede kayo bigyan ng information sa inyo? Yung luggage natin, meron tayong big luggage, which is 20 kilos, tapos meron tayong hand carry na luggage din. Gusto ko rin kasi malaman, dahil doon sa may parang rules or terms and condition nila, parang allowed lang isang luggage na 20 kilos or dalawang maliit na luggage. So kaya ako pumunta rin dito ng maaga para i-confirm, which I confirm na pwede daw, sabi. At least tinanong natin, di ba? Sabi ko, is this allowed? Medium and small? So ayun daw, confirm na confirm. Parang tayo lang, confirm! And then, currently guys, it is 2:57 pa lang. Yung checkout kasi natin sa hotel natin, inalaw tayo hanggang 3 PM. Pero ayoko na kasi pang-abot ng 3 PM. Gusto ko pang pumunta sa dito. May pupuntahan pa tayo guys. And look at my shirt. Ravenclaw. So, yung shirt na to, kaya ako sinuot is connected doon sa pupuntahan natin. So parang pili ko mga isang oras nga lang tayo, tapos balik na tayo dito. Then kain tayo, para-refresh, and then ayun na. Ito na tayo guys. Sa Vivo City na tayo. Akit lang tayo sa taas for the Sentosa Express. Alam niyo ba, nalulungkot ako kasi paalis na tayo dito sa Singapore. And gusto ko pang magstay. Marami pa akong hindi nagawa guys. As in, marami pa. Naniwala kayo? Makikita nyo naman yun sa natin, sa vlog natin. May mga na-miss ako na, well, kahit saan naman lugar guys, basta pag bumabalik tayo, alam nyo naman yan. Chant lang, please. Nabali ano nyo naman yan na every time na may pinupuntahan tayo. Sobrang laki kasi ng mga bansa na pinupuntahan natin. Kahit nga lang dito sa Singapore, marami pwedeng gawin na hindi natin nagawa. So siguro next time na lang yun. Basta yung mga kayang gawin, pagkasyahin natin. Pero syempre dapat may pahinga pa rin tayo. Bakit okay. May pila kasi. Sabi ko, ano yung pila? Mga nakaupo lang pala sila. Actually may food court na rin dito, di ba? Ayan, iniisip ko tuloy kung tutuloy pa ako. Grabe yung init Look at that. Woo! hindi na umalis, no? Okay, sige. Tuloy tayo. Ito, isa sa mga hindi ko naturo sa inyo guys, kung saan kayo makakalibre going to Universal Studios, doon sa may Resorts World Station. Kasi meron talaga guys, way. Yung tinatawag na ng Sentosa Skywalk or Sentosa Bridge. Siguro mga roughly 10 minutes yung lalakarin nyo para makarating. If ever maaga kayo, pwede siguro yon. Tapos para kasi pag nakarating na kayo sa second station, libre na yon yung Sentosa Express. Kahit pabalik-balik kayo, wag lang aabot dito sa Vivo City. There's 3-way actually para makapunta. Una, itong Sentosa Express. Pangalawa, via cable car sa Harbor Front. Pangatlo, maglakad, which is yun yung pinakalibre. 176 na naman to. Tara.
A few inches later.
Alright guys, so nakababa na tayo dito sa Resorts World Station kung nasaan yung USS or yung Universal Studios Singapore. Nandito rin ang Adventure Cove Water Park. Nandito rin ang Sea Aquarium. And by the way guys, ang Sea Aquarium, ni-rebranding or nag-rename na sila. Okay, rebranding. Tawag doon. Check natin yung pangalan. Parang Oceanarium na ata. Parang ganon. So, dito yun, di ba? Pero dito tayo sa kaliwa. Yung may red na nakalagay yung mga signs na casino, mga ganyan. Grabe. Hapon na hapon guys. Grabe oh. 3:14 PM. Ayun, nakikita ko yung signs ng Harry Potter. And I'm one of the Ravenclaw. Charot lang. Ayun. Sa baba tayo. Kasi yun yung nakikita ko, Harry Potter. Check natin kung ano expect natin dito. And ito guys, casino. Tapos ito yung Harry Potter. Di ba? Shirta kayo ha. may kaaway na naman. Yan. Lalaki. Yeah. Shall we? Ticket?
What was it?
Yeah.
Okay, just to let you know first that once you enter the experience, there are no toilets or washrooms inside. So do you use a toilet first?
No need. I just had my...
Okay, good. They'll just scan the QR code for you and so.
Alright, thank you. This one?
Yeah. Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, so we're here inside. Just scan your QR code. And sabi ni ate, once you're here, no... Charot lang. Once you're here inside, hindi na pwedeng lumabas para mag-CR kasi walang toilet sa loob. Ito ba yun? Char. Oh, may one agad tayo. Ay, gusto ko ako si Scarlet Witch. hindi si ching. Ay, kung may power talaga ako, mga baby ko. Charot lang. Ayan, so may picture pa dito. Pak. Ting. Ay, ayan agad oh. Yan agad tira ko yung baby. Ping! Charot lang. Ayan na naman tayo sa kaharutan. Ito na lang naman yung activity natin guys. So enjoy na natin. Tapos meron pa doon sa isa. Ayan pa si kuya. Ping! So sabi dito, look for traces of magic. Point and press your wand. Okay, press. And then reveal visions of magic. Ayan siya. Your experience will last at least 45 minutes. Wander at your own pace using all your senses as you explore. Ayun na sabi. Traces of magic are hidden around every corner. Every corner? Naganda pa ng baby, no? Every corner. Wait.
Hi, how many cups? This one?
This one.
Hi, please place your bag on the table and go on.
Okay.
Hi, can I see your first person? Faster. Hi, can I see your second pose now? Hi, can I see your last pose now? Hi, Alicia. Hi, Alicia.
Ganun dapat. Dapat sulitin nyo na yung mga ganito. Sige, nakapila tayo bago pumasok. Pero pakita ko sa inyo yung parang pinaka-entrance. Ay, si baby oh. Ayun oh. Ching! Ayan. So, pare-pareho lang naman to. Huwag kayong umarte. Hindi pwedeng mamili. Pare-pareho lang yung wand. Ayan. So, dito picture. Tapos dito yung entrance. Okay. So, kita tayo sa loob.
Alright, Magical Explorers, once again, welcome to Harry Potter Visions of Magic. In a moment, you all will be watching a special video that will immerse you into the world that you are about to enter. Please pay close attention to this video as it will guide you on how you can use your wands to interact with the magical elements throughout your journey.
Okay.
However, for your own safety, please take note that this is a one-way route experience. So once you enter the next room, you will not be able to come back to the previous room. Are we all clear on that?
Yeah.
Awesome. Now let's watch the video.
Welcome to Harry Potter Visions of Magic. During your time here, you'll explore some of the most mysterious corners of the wizarding world in a new and exciting way. This interactive art experience brings to life the magic of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts films. Each room is a unique and magical interpretation of familiar places, like the Room of Requirement, the Hall of Prophecy, or even Newt's Menagerie. Soon, you'll hop on the night bus and start your journey. There are 10 unique rooms to explore, each filled with fantastical sights, sounds, and magical surprises. Remember, you're the key to bringing these hidden places to life. Wander at your own pace, explore, discover, and use your wand to uncover hidden magic. Your wand is a powerful tool for bringing the magic to life. As you explore, look out for traces of magic. These are glowing swirls of light that show you where to use your wand. Some of these traces are moving, others are placed on magical objects. When you find one, point your wand and press to reveal the magic. There are many ways to use your wand. Sometimes, just point and press to see what magical effect takes place. Other times, you can point, press, and move your wand around to reveal magic around you. To stop the effect, just let go and stop pressing the wand. The magical effect will slowly disappear and the glowing symbol will come back soon after a short moment. Be careful how you use your wand. We don't want anyone getting hurt. Remember, you'll only be able to reveal visions of magic where you see traces of magic. Before you begin exploring, a few quick reminders. You can take as many photos as you like, but please don't use the flash. Please keep all butterbeer or any other drinks or snacks in the lobby and gift store areas. Take your time to explore and wander at your own pace. If you have questions or need help, our friendly hosts are always nearby. We're all set. Are you ready to uncover hidden magic and illuminate the invisible? Your journey begins now.
Right. Now just like the video, point your wands towards traces of magic like this. Not yet. Point your wands and press on the group. See how it responds? Now it is your turn to try. Feel free to move around and explore the room. Traces of magic like this. And there are even some behind you as well.
Tayo ah. Oh, shoot kayo ah. Naglaro na. Oh, alam nyo ah.
Everyone, follow me.
Okay.
Come on, move on, move on, move on.
Let's go. Oh,
Welcome, Magical Explorers. Please get in front of me.
okay.
Sit here.
Welcome to the night bus. Emergency transport for the stranded witch or wizard.
Now, let's review the night bus together. On the count of 3, lift your wands. Are you all ready?
Yeah.
I can hear you. Are you all ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Lift your wands.
Go away, yeah?
Come on, move on, move on,
Wonderful
move on.
magic, everyone. Now it's time to go on the night bus.
Yo, yay! Shark. Ha, Oh.
Let us see of the video.
Okay. See? Oh! Oh! Shark! Oh! Humiga! Oh! It's yumuyug-yug! Kasi nasa bus nga tayo. Your turn! Okay, sino mga kalaban natin? We need to find the symbol. Over there. Oh, oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's Bellatrix. Who else? Can you see that, guys? Oh, shoot na kayo, ah. One more. Kala nyo, ah. One more. Yeah. Oh, this one. Look. Oh. Na-enjoy. So kung mga ganito, gusto ko kasi sa Wanda. Yung mga ganun. Oh. Shoot na kayo, ha. Na-enjoy, no? Okay, dito tayo. What is this? Dito dapat maglakad. Naghahanap ako, eh. Ito, guys. Ministries of Magic. Oh. Magugustuhan to ng mga anak nyo, guys. Wala dito. Lalo na kung mahilig sila sa Harry Potter. Wala. Tara, baba tayo. Yung view na lang papakita ko, guys, ha. Alright, so meron telephone dito, oh. Wala dito. Ano yung tinuturo mo dyan? Wala naman, eh. Symbol. Kaloka tong mga to. Hindi nakikinig. Charot lang. Oh. Look for traces of magic. Point your wand to reveal unique surprises inside each ministries. Mga ganito. Are you there? Oh. Ayun, meron. May lumalabas, minsan nawawala. There. There. Ang lakas ko. Binago ko siya. Oh, di ba? Ang cute. There. This one. This two. Ganap, no? Ganap. Tara na nga. Manakot kaya tayo. Uy, ito na. Watch your step. Ay, Be. Ano nga mo dyan, Be? Akin ka. Shot. Uy, ang ganda. Oops. Ay, nilalabanan ako ni baby.
It does not do to dwell on dreams and forget to.
Ganda dito. Parang immersive din siya. Ayan, no?
It does not do to walls to.
Ayaw na. Wala nang battery. Wala nang battery. Look at me.
As the one choose to act on. That's what you really are.
Bolang kristal. Sabihin mo kung sino magiging bebe natin.
Even to act on. That's what you really are.
Oh! Where are you? Where? Where are you? Char. Oh, di ba acting? Acting na acting, no? Pwede tayo maging artista. Who are you? Siya natagtara lang nga. Ila-line up ko si baby. Asan na si baby?
You will return tonight.
So, ang cute. Nakakatuwa siya. Interactive kasi, kaya masaya.
You will return tonight.
Okay. Uy.
Events will be opening in about 3 minutes.
Okay.
In the meantime, feel free to interact with the magics on the walls, but please do not touch any of the snakes. Once again, the chamber door will be opening in about 3 minutes.
Oh, the Chambers of Secrets has been opened. Enemies of Hair. Okay. Ito mga bata to kanina pa to eh. Kaya pa to. Muntik na sila makatulsok eh.
Some photos, but please do not touch any of the snakes.
Eh, paano natin mababasa? Ang likot ng mga kamay nyo. Charot lang. Ay, ang kulit nyo ah.
Alright, now you're about to enter one of Hogwarts' most mysterious location, the Chamber of Secrets. Legend has it was created by one of Hogwarts' founding fathers, Salazar Slytherin himself. Before you enter, let me ask you one question. Are you brave enough to enter the Chamber of Secrets?
Of course.
Yes, of course. Point your wand.
Oy. Oh, nice. Wow.
Chamber of Secrets being opened. Enemies of the air, beware. Spreading blood.
Alright, let's enter the Chamber of Secrets. Please mind your steps.
Okay. Let's go. Yeah. Ooh, wow. Ay, ito ulit si baby. Ba't nandito na si baby? Oh. Snake, snake. This one, what is this? Whoa. Ay, ito. Dito tayo. Ipaka ka, ahas ka. Mga beshi kong nangaagaw ha. Mga ahas kayo. Ayun o. Mga ahas na to. Ahas ka, ahas ka. Ahas. Fireworks, kailangan natin ng ano. Ano yun yung ano? Pag may pumutok, ibig sabihin signal. Oh, shoot ka, huwag ka dito ha. Kawig lang ng beshi ko oh. Lord Voldemort. There. To my Tom Marble Riddle. Okay. I am Lord Voldemort. Wala akong pakialam. Charot lang. Oh, okay. O, ito pa. One more. Ah! Enjoy. Oh, this is it. Okay. Next. Let's go. Ooh. Nagulat yung bata. Okay, so what do we have here? Nothing special. Char. Okay, what's this? Oh, planets. There. Oh. In fairness, malamig dito guys. Yun lang yung gusto ko yun, no? Where? Ayun, this one. Ayaw gumana. Oh. What's happening? What's happening? Ayan na. Maarte, no? Ako karapat dapat. 3:57 na guys. Watch out tayo sa time syempre. Ito. I need some light. Okay. Follow my lead. Char. Uy. Uy, umuusok. Ay, ito pa si baby. Okay. Ito si Malfoy. So what do we have here? Ano meron? Ay, pwedeng mag-bookingan dito, oh. Wala na, oh. Pader lang. Charot lang, bookingan talaga. Ito tayo. Okay.
Stealthy road nocturne, honey. Touchy place. No one going to see you there.
Where are you? Okay. What are you? Oh, a snake. How about this one? Okay. Oh, spider. Yikes. Yikes. Okay, here. Oh. You wanna fight? Tinutulad yung bata. Charot lang. Room of requirement. Okay. Oh, this is the sword. Which one? Oh, the book. Advanced potion making book. Oh, this one. Oh. There you go. Okay. Wow. Hey, what is this? Oh, nice. Okay, what's next? Yes. Next is the trapdoor. Oh.
It's got horrible breath.
There. Alam nyo ha, mga ugat. Ha! Diba ha? Interactive ha? Okay, where are we heading? Oh, nice. Tingnan mo ano dito. Line up! O diba? What do we have here? Who needs my help? Char. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Amazing. Amazing. That's mine. That's mine. Charot lang. Inawa yung bata, no? Pinaputok niya. Nagigigil ako, ah. Nagigigil ako sa bata. Asa ka na? Palaman kay bata. Ah, pasaway kang bata ka. Asan ka? Let's go. Wow. Wow. Hello. Is this the last one?
This is the last room. Yes.
Ah, okay.
Finish this website. I can never know love or friendship.
Alright, so we are done. Yes. Diba? Mag-drawing kaya ako ng nota. Maloka sila. Ay. Heart yun ah, hindi yun ano. Oh, I love you guys. Diba? One more. Yan, okay na yan. And that's it. Wala tayong nakuha ang baby. For the highest mountain. Okay. There. Thank you. Thank you. Ah, okay. So ito na yun. Ah, aakyat. Ano ba yan? Okay, kita tayo sa labas. Okay. So yung bubungan sa inyo is the souvenir shop. Ah, let's get our check. Ito. Scan. Scan natin yung binigay sa atin. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, diba? Ganyan dapat. Yan o. Pak! Becky si Harry Potter. Ayan o, ganyan o. Yes. Kung gusto nyo mga ano, Harry Potter merchandise, ang dami dito. Okay, let's go out. Kaya cute. Ikot o. Tumbler. 25. So that's 25 nasa ano 1,000. Okay. Ay, Ravenclaw. This one. Diba ang cute? Alright. Let's go out. This way. To the exit. Ay, hello po. Ay, sige po. Dito tayo sa maliwanag. And picture tayo. 1, 2. Thank you po. Enjoy po.
Buti pala kasi nakita kita.
Kaya nag-ano ka, check eh. Thank you po, sige po.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so we are done dito sa Harry Potter Visions of Magic. Tara, kita ulit tayo. Tapos grabe guys, ang daming nandito sa baba yung casino. Grabe, ang daming nagka-casino. Parang, alam mo yun, ang dami nilang pera. Hindi mo ako mahilig sa mga ganyan, sa mga gambling ka nga. Pwede palang pwede magala-gala dito, tapos yung globe. Pwede kayo magpa-picture, mag-video-video. Sentosa, Singapore. Alright, so we are done here guys. Ang gagawin natin, kakain na lang tayo dun sa may food court. Kasi hapon eh. You know what, kanina umaga sana, balak kong bumalik sa may Marina Bay Sands, dun sa may escalator na viral. Kaso makulimlim. Eh sabi ko mas gusto ko sana yung araw, yung reflection niya sa Marina Bay Sands. Kaso hindi, parang ganito lang, parang hapon na siya umaraw. Kung kailan paalis naman na tayo. If pupunta naman tayo ngayon, yung makikita natin ngayon is same din na kita natin ng isang araw, which is pa-sunset na, ganon. So siguro na lang tayo, balik tayo sa Vivo City, tapos kain na lang tayo. 4:36 na, so we still have 2 hours. Kain tayo, siguro mga 1 oras, and then prepare na, para hindi naman tayo naghahagul sa oras. Ito na ulit yung Sentosa Express. Let's go na. Kita tayo sa Vivo City.
1 eternity later.
Alright guys, so nandito na ulit tayo sa Vivo City. At ito yung Food Republic. Kung saan kayo pwede kumain, kung gusto nyo lang. Pero dito mismo within the mall, sobrang daming Alam nyo guys, palagi nangangati palagi yung ilong ko dahil yung mga buhok. Maraming kainan dito sa mismong mall. Pero syempre, since may food court dito, feeling ko is medyo okay dito. Kung gusto nyo ng mga authentic food, check natin. Pero ito mga breads, ayaw nga pwede tayo magbaon. Sige. Tapos parang ito lang guys yung nag-iisang drinks. Kailangan bumili na tayo. Ay, medyo medyo pricey ang drinks dito compared din sa airport. Sa airport parang nasa $2 lang or 3. Dito 4 pataas. Mga shakes kasi. Okay, pero baka mag-water na nga lang tayo. Lemon tea. Mango punch lemon tea, OG punch lemon tea, premium perfume lemon, regular green lemon. Ay, may ganun pa. Wait. May mga coins pa pala ako. Lemon tea lang tayo. Popo ni Kuya, nakaputi. Ay, mango punch lemon tea tayo. 1 mango punch lemon tea. Mango punch? Yeah. Mango. Thank you. Masarap ba yung pagkain dito? Ayun po. Okay, pasok tayo. Alam ko ito yung kinainan ko before. Yan. Kasi siya, ayan char soup. Wonton noodles. Ayan sarap po. Uy. Medyo medyo pricey pala dito. O sige, lang naman. Check natin kung ano yung ma-order natin. Tapos magkentuhan lang tayo. Marami pa naman to. Check natin baka naman doon may mura. Ay wow, what's this? Beef roti? Sarap po. Chicken roti and beef roti. Try nga natin. Try ba natin? 5 at saka isang beef roti 5 tapos chicken roti 4.5. Tara nga. Hello, can I have 1 beef, 1 chicken, please?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chicken is with the C here, chicken.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Parang sarap kasi niya guys. Parang alam niyo yung in-order namin sa Taiwan ni Shane. yung parang pork buns, parang ganun siya, pero ito beef and chicken. Medyo pricey lang talaga kasi ano, 5, so parang nasa 100, 200. Ano pa po yun dito? Ito marami pa palang pwesto dito. Ito kaya tayo. Ayun o. Ito. Sa dulo na lang tayo. Parang ano siya, pwedeng dalawang ulam, parang ganun. Hindi ba? How much? Okay. 1 meat. Chicken and pork. Okay. 1 meat, 2 vegetables, parang ganun. Mag-rice ba tayo? Can I choose one? Can I have the rice and then this one? Eat here. This one. Ayan, umorder na tayo. Bali, dalawang ulam, isang rice, parang nasa ano na to, 400 pesos. Tapos, meron pala dito sa gilid ko, Michelin na pala to. Tapos pang may nakikita akong puro curry. Sana pala dito na lang ako, pero sige. Actually guys, ano, late na ako nagising. Hindi, 8 o'clock ata ako nagising. Tapos, nag-isang round lang tayo ng pagkain kasi parang bigla ako nagsawa. Bacon, noodles, ayun lang. Tapos nag-fruits lang. Parang wala akong ganang kumain. So ito is pork, tapos may fish fillet. And then parang yang chow. Ito yun Ami mix rice. Masarap. Katabi lang nito. Ayan siya. Masarap guys. Masarap yung rice. Fish fillet tayo. Mas okay siya pag may konting spicy. Wait lang. Kakaiba yung ano nila, yung parang chili oil, spicy. Parang siyang bagoong. Parang mas masarap siya pag may ganong twist. Pwede. Tapos itong mango with punch lemon, parang hindi ko bet. Parang mas okay kung lemon tea na lang. Same price lang naman. Currently is 508, 508, 6. Hanggang 6 tayo dito. In fairness naman, yung servings nila ng ulam, medyo okay. Wait lang hinadamdam po kasi. Tapos parang lumalabas yung per ulam nila, nasa $3. So that's 130, parang ganun. Ganun din yung rice. Again guys yung mga tissue dito may bayad. Unlike sa bangko, pag nag-food court kayo, may mga libre ng tissue. Tapos ganun pa rin, you can return your tray or your pinagkainan nyo dun sa halal or non-halal food tray. Busog.
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so we are done with our late lunch. Actually, parang pre-dinner na ngayon. Kasi anong oras na ba? Yeah, it's 5:45 na. Tara, baba na tayo. Tapos mag-outro na lang din tayo kasi yun na naman yun. Kumbaga parang pinakita ko sa inyo kung saan yung harbor front. Tapos hari-pari tayo and then kumain tayo dito sa Food Republic. Malawak pa yan pwede paikot. Alright, so that's really it guys. May event pa dito. Ito yung amphitheater Kasi minsan may ano dito guys, may event, may activity. Pero wala naman. Ay ano kaya? Stories from an island city. Anyway, ayun. So again guys, that's really it. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin dito sa Vivo City and sa ating munting Harry Potter Visions of Magic experience. So if you want to get your ticket guys pala, you can book through Klook and you can use my promo code MarkParagasKlook for instant discount up to 3 times use per account. Alright, so again, that's it. Thank you so much. And kung nagustuhan nyo guys, please like this video and share. And subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. Guys, enjoy life. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment. Because you will never get to this age again. So please do what makes you happy. And follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.